Welcome to LyFiveElements. I'm Marvin and I'm glad you are here. My goal is to teach you how to read Bazi in the simplest way possible, so you can understand your own life path. Let's unlock the secrets of your destiny together. Today, we will explore what Bazi is and the principles behind it. If anything is unclear, feel free to drop a comment below. I would love to discuss and explore these topics with you. And for those of you who want to understand your Bazi chart, but find the learning process too complicated, you can always message me for a one-on-one consultation. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Your support truly motivates me to keep sharing this knowledge. Let's dive into Bazi together. Through my studies, I have come to understand that the I Ching and the 8 trigrams are not superstitions. In fact, they represent a study of energies, or you could call it astrology, based on the movements of celestial bodies. The ancient people discovered that the Earth rotates, completing one rotation in a day. The Moon orbits the Earth, completing one orbit in a month. The Moon and the Earth together orbit the Sun, completing one orbit in a year. During this rotational process, other planets like Venus, Mercury, Jupiter, Mars, and Saturn also revolve around the Sun. When the energy of each planet reaches Earth, it impacts everything on Earth. Plants need sunlight to grow, and the tides in the ocean are caused by the moon's rotation. The magnetic fields of the 5 planets, Venus, Mercury, Jupiter, Mars, and Saturn, also affect humans. Ancient people discovered that, for instance, when Mercury's energy reaches us, some people might get wealthy, some might fall ill, and some might face legal troubles. They observed these patterns and recorded them, creating a vast database. The I Ching is essentially an ancient database passed down through generations. Based on my studies, I have developed a method that allows anyone, even those who know nothing about the I Ching or Bazi reading, to learn how to interpret Bazi quickly. After following this course, you will be able to understand Bazi readings. You will be able to understand the health of a person, when a person might fall ill, or when they might get rich, when their job might change, when they might buy a house or a car, the situation of their family members, whether they will divorce, the state of their marital relationship, how many children they will have, whether they will have a boy or a girl first, the health of their parents, when they might fall ill, and so on. All of this can be seen in the Bazi. Currently, I am able to identify 50 to 60 events through Bazi readings, with an accuracy of over 90%. After completing our Bazi course, you will have the ability to accurately determine at least 20 events in someone's life just by knowing their birth date and time, which you will convert into a comprehensive Bazi reading. Don't be intimidated by the Chinese characters in this image. I will teach everyone how to recognize them step by step. I will provide a bilingual reference table, just like using a dictionary. Our progress will gradually deepen little by little. Today, we have gained a general understanding of what Bazi is and its underlying principles. In the next lesson, we will delve into the important elements of Bazi, known as the 5 elements: wood, fire, earth, metal, and water. Make sure to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell. Your support truly motivates me to keep sharing this knowledge. And for those of you who want to understand your Bazi chart, but find the learning process too complicated, you can always message me for a one-on-one consultation. See you in the next lesson.